Stringing your catch is just as important as catching them. I have a simple hack for you that's very effective and easy to make. Hello everyone, my name is Xandro. I've been fishing since I was a kid and learned a lot on the way. This hobby evolved a lot through the changing times. So much so that I've seen the same anglers come home empty-handed day after day because they lost sight of the basics. Not implying that I know all the answers, because I certainly had my share of bad days at the lake. But if you're frustrated, new, or overwhelmed about fishing, you come to the right place. Viewers, on this channel I'll take out all the frustrating aspects of fishing by introducing only what's practical, because fishing should be fun and rewarding. If you're interested on fishing methods that are simple but effective, subscribe now. I will be using a 100-pound rope ratchet to make a stringer for larger fish. We'll be demonstrating how to make a barrel knot opposite the end with the clip. Give yourself about a foot of tag with your index finger parallel to the line. Take the tag end and wrap it around your finger and the main line at least 3 times. Pull your finger out and run your tag end through. Maintain about 1 inch of tag while cinching the wrap by pulling on the loop in the wrap. Continue to make adjustments until the wrap is nice and tight. Pull the main line to adjust the size of the loop. The loop end goes through the gills and back out. The main line goes through the loop. Tighten the loop to prevent slipping. Use the end with the clip to wrap around a tree, etc. This hack has been proven to be strong and has never failed on me. Perfect for larger size fish and long enough to tie it up to whatever is around you like a tree. We'll demonstrate here how easy it is to route it through the gills. Viewers, I will provide the links to all the products I mentioned in the description below. And as a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored or affiliated with the company of these products. Back to your video. Here is a glimpse of my fishing experiences that you can be a part of.
Okay, turn around. Yep. Whoa, bring it in. Yes, it is. It is. See? He's like a cat. He will stand still. There you go. The bass. Put him back in the water. This guy is bigger. Sit, got my neck. Got my neck, guys. Ooh.
Subscribe now.